Alright, hello YouTube. Welcome back to WWE Wrestling Video. This video we'll be unboxing and reviewing Shida. So this is the box. Double or Nothing Jacksonville. The other figures in this series is Chris Jericho, Jake Hager, Jack Swagger, formerly known in the WWE. MKF, who I was thinking about picking up today, but I didn't. Hikaru, Shida, Penta L, Hero M, and Ray Phoenix. So, let's get this opened. There you go, we got it open, but not really. I caught a lot of AEW products today, actually. The good thing about this figure is that there's no interchangeable hands or anything. Well, she does have this plastic thing on her. Hold on, let me use your title belt. Well, let me get all these other accessories off. Not her accessories, but the she has like this plastic thing on her. But I'm glad. I mean, yeah, sadly I didn't find DX China, but that's okay. Maybe my friend Aaron from Lumber in Hillville can help me out. They did this pretty well. Actually, this does look like a really cool figure. I might, like I did in one of my previous videos, I think I might turn a new leaf and start collecting the AEW product. Hold on. There we go. Get a little rubber piece stuck. Here now I'm going to try and see if I can get this thing off of her. I know this isn't the most fun part of the review. Okay. Alright, she is free and loose from all chains. I really like her hair color. I know that's pretty random. Okay. So, here's Hikaru Shida. This is her face scan. She has black hair fading into like an orange purple kind of color. He has red with purple and black top. And it's all molded on. He has this little thing here, this accessory piece. It's black and there's like a little zipper here on each side. It has a belt on it too. Her bra piece actually goes into the back and it's molded as well. She has red bottom. She has like, I guess these are called leggings maybe. And with shoes. She does have black arm, I don't want to call it wrist tape, but it might be wrist tape, and then her arms and her hands are red and black. And on her leg here, she has whatever this design is right here. So I'll give you a nice 360 view of Hikaru Shida. And it is a good figure. I like it a lot. See if I can. Well, hold on. Here it is. I might not be able to do it out here because so. Yeah, I can't seem to get her to stand out here. Well, I did now. So yeah. So that's Hikaru and Shida. So I'll upload this video for you guys and we'll get right to Taekwondo. Talk to you later. Bye.